Hello traders, today in this episode, we are going to introduce you the top 3 order block indicators. As you know guys, spotting and having valid order blocks on your charts will undoubtedly help you to improve your trading and become a more successful trader. Additionally, we will illustrate how to add and set up these indicators in your trading chart, and also at the end, we are going to backtest these 3 indicators for the last 6 months on Euro-USD dollar pair, and we will share with you the win rates and the results of trades that we had based on these indicators. For the backtesting, I will use Soft4FX software on MetaTrader 4 platform, which is a real data-based forex simulator that enables you to trade in the past and review the results. If learning advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons and how to stay disciplined with a trading plan interests you, then subscribe to our channel and enjoy advanced free trading content. See you after intro. Welcome back traders. Let's start by looking for our first indicator on this Tradingview platform, Euro-USD pair. So to do that, select the Indicator tab at the top left of your screen and type Market Structure Break and Order. As you can see, the indicator is displayed on the first line, so let's click on it. Now as you can see, we have added the indicator to our chart. Let's take a fast look at its settings. I have double-click on its bar here and the setting menu is opened. In the first menu, you can also change the zigzag length from here, or you can hide the zigzag pattern by taking out this check mark here. Or you can also change the Fibonacci factor value that is used as confirmation for breakout. I recommend you do not change any default values of this indicator because this indicator is doing great by default. This indicator basically shows the market structure break or BOS and order blocks. The bullish breakout occurs when the price breaks the most recent higher high. This is when the indicator shows a green MSB, which stands for the market structure break. On the other hand, when the price breaks the most recent lower low, we have a bearish red market structure break. This indicator also includes the zigzag patterns, which help us to easily spot the lows and highs and market structure. Finally, we have these order blocks that can be used as supply and demand zones. Traders, I definitely believe that this order block indicator is the most accurate and user-friendly indicator that I have ever seen. So guys, we have Euro-USD dollar daily time frame on our chart. Just look guys how accurate this indicator is, and how price has respected this bullish order block. As you can see, the price after reaching the order block, reversed and went up with these big momentum candles. Additionally, we may have initiated a long position at this point, when price had reached the red candle's precise closure. This shows how accurate this indicator is. Let's come down to the 1-hour time frame. Again, as you can see here, price has made a bullish MSB and a bullish order block. It is obvious that price has respected this demand zone several times. And we could have entered a long position here, when price had reached this red hammer candle closure exactly like this. So guys, let's zoom into the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, we have this bearish order block created by this MSB here. That price has been rejected from it several times. As you can see here, price after touching the order block zone was severely got rejected, so we could have entered a short position like this. So, the next order block indicator that I am going to introduce to you is the Order Block Finder Experimental. So let's add this indicator to our chart. For that, click on the Indicator tab and type in Order Block Finder Experimental and select it. So now, as you can see, we have added the indicator to our chart. Let's change some of its settings. I have double-click on its bar here and the setting menu is started. So, in the first tab, you can change the indicator's color scheme. There are two options for that, dark and bright. I personally like a dark theme because, as you can see, my chart is dark. In the second tab, the relevant periods, you can choose how many order blocks you want to see on the chart. I'd personally like to have 3 here. If we come over to the Style menu, you see these tabs, where you can change the color of texts or lines of order blocks on the chart, if you really want to, but as we don't really need them. So I'm going to skip this and click on the OK button. Now as you can see, we have these bearish and bullish order block zones on our chart, which we can consider them as supply and demand zones. We expect price to change direction when it hits these particular zones. For example here, we can place a long position like this, at this bullish order block zone. Or we can place a short position in this bearish order block zone. So guys, I want to go the daily time frame to show you the order blocks that this indicator is spotted in the market. As you can see, price has respected so many times to these bearish order block zones here. And every time price got there, it has been rejected downward. As you can see, price is in an uptrend and has created this bullish order block here. And when price reached to this bullish order block, it rose up and continued in the upward direction. But as you can see here, price did not respect these two bearish order blocks, and the reason for that is, the price is in an uptrend and has a minor tendency to respect the bearish order blocks. We come down to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see here, price has respected this bullish order block. Again here, price after touching this bullish order block reversed upward. Guys, you can use this indicator throughout any time period, including 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 minute. So, again we have the Euro-USD dollar pair on our chart here. So the third and last order block indicator that I am going to show you is the pivot order block indicator. So let's add this indicator to our chart. For that, click on the Indicator tab and type in Pivot Order Block and select it. Now, as you can see, we have added the indicator to our chart. Let's quickly review its settings. When I double-click on this bar, the Settings menu opens. Here, in the first tab, I change the wicks to the buddies. And here I adjust the box size to 100 and then, I clicked on the OK button. As you can see now, the indicator added these red and green order blocks to our chart. So guys, we introduced you the top 3 order block indicators. In the next stage, we will backtest them and give you an overview of the indicator's overall performance. All of the order block indicators that we introduced to you in this episode will be backtested in this section, and the results will show which indicator has more win rate and which one is the most accurate if you enter trades with their buy or sell signals. For that, I used the real data-based Forex simulator Soft4FX on the MetaTrader 4 platform for the backtesting. It allows you to trade in the past and evaluate the results. I invested $10,000 as the initial cash, and each trade involved a 2% risk. I have been backtesting the euro-dollar on a 30-minute time period for the past 6 months. Therefore, I will now go on to describe the method and guidelines that I use to backtest these order block indicators. So, for the bullish scenario, I first waited for the price to reach the order block zone and be rejected from it, then I entered a long position where the bullish candle reached the closure of the recent red candle, within the reward to risk ratio of 3. Furthermore, I set my stop loss at the lowest point of the bullish order block zone. For the bearish scenario, again I waited for price to touch the order block and get rejected from it, then I placed a short position within the 2% of my capital, where the bearish candle reached the closure of the recent green candle, within the reward to risk ratio of 3, and I set stop loss margin at the highest point of order block. So guys, let's get into the backtesting procedure. This strategy is basic and was only created as a testing tool to help us determine which of these indicators is the best by comparing them to one another. In a subsequent episode of this video, I will attempt to create modified trading strategies for each of these 3 indicators, so be sure to watch that as well. I was able to start 112 trades to test the market structure break and order block indicator, 97 trades to test the order block finder experimental, and 105 trades to test the BB order blocks indicator, after spending hours of backtesting these 3 indicators over the previous 6 months. The overall results from our backtesting procedure are shown here. The market structure break and order block indicator, which showed us a 54% win rate with a final capital of $21,180, is our top indicator in terms of win rate, accuracy, and trustworthiness. The order block finder experimental indicator is the second best indicator among those, with a 48% win rate and a final capital of $15,650. The BB order blocks indicator is our third indicator, with a final capital of $12,250 and a win rate of 42%. That's it, traders. If you enjoyed the video and want us to keep making more videos week after week, please be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell, and also in the comments section, let us know your opinions and tell us what kind of topics you want us to cover. And we'll work our best to create more videos for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.